Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the rear wiper blade insert on a 2019 Toyota Rav4. Now to remove the wiper blade insert from the arm, you're going to have to pull this out. There's a little hump right here that you need to get over first to look like that, and then you can pull it out the rest of the way. Now the wiper insert has two metal rods inside that come off really easy. They are the same top and bottom, so you don't need to worry about getting them mixed up. As far as like if this is the top or this is the top, they're the same thing. Now you get the new one and you're going to insert these rods in this top slot right here. Not this bottom one, but the top one. So you're going to insert it here, hold it, turn this way, insert it here, and then you're going to just hold it vertical, and that'll help the rod slide into their proper spots. Just make sure it's in the right slot all the way across, both sides. And now you're going to grab the arm and insert it into the slots here. And if you just push in, you're going to notice that it's going to fold and want to do that right there. If you just push in, it's going to eventually fold like that. So what you need to do is put pressure here so that it goes in smooth. See that? And just going little by little. And you're going to keep doing this until you get to the first opening over here, and you're going to guide it into the slot. Make sure to give it a little more. You'll see right here how it's starting to fold. You want to watch out for that. So bring it back, slide it in here. Make sure it's going in on both sides, and then just keep pushing in, put pressure up, little by little, so it doesn't fold in. Coming up to the next slot over here. Push in slowly till we get to that end stop. Now we're going to guide it into this slot. Just like that, and like this. Come back to the other side, finish it off. And now we're inserted all the way. You can see here, we didn't get on the inside of the rod. On this side over here, it did fold under. One way you can fix this is with a flathead screwdriver. As you come under it and guide it under the slot. Just like that. Check all the other ones. Looks good. Now to reinstall the wiper blade, look at this part. It needs to slide into the wiper arm on the vehicle. Wiggle it around back and forth if you need to for it to slide in. Then grab the top and bottom, lock it down in place, fold it down onto the windshield, and then we're going to bring down the clip. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2019 Toyota Rav4. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.